Welcome to week 6, which is dealing with percutaneous interventions that are done in the cath lab. And first of all, the word percutaneous means via a needle puncture. And so that would be versus a cut down procedure. So in the cath lab, we do percutaneous procedures, meaning we use needles and guide wires and catheters to do our procedures. We don't actually make an incision and cut, down through the skin tissue and into the muscle tissue and so on and so forth. We do percutaneous via a needle procedure. So again, you'll want to print out the lecture for week 6 and to print out the PDF for week 6. So hopefully you are printing all of these things out. Sometimes students get confused with online meaning paperless, and that's not the case. Please do print everything out, and you're kind of keeping your own textbook, if you will, of the notes and things. Anyway, so please print out the lecture, please print out the PDF, and then I have all of the topics that we cover for this week. And what I did this different this week. I have a video for each of these topics. So there literally is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's literally 9 videos to watch. And then what I've done is put next to the videos, I've put page numbers that you can refer to. Now, I'm just going to tell you right now, this is a lot of reading, so I don't expect you really to read all of this. The only one that I do that I am going to jump up and down about and please read over and over and over again until you get it is page 22, and there's only 2 paragraphs, paragraphs 1 and 2 under the myocardial infarction section. So for the reading this week, please read page 22, paragraphs 1 and 2, and please understand this process of atherosclerosis and what it is, because that frankly is why we all have jobs in the cath lab, is because of atherosclerosis. So it's very important to understand that mechanism. Okay, so then the next video is angioplasty, and again I list the page number where you can find out more information about angioplasty, and then you can also go to chapter 16 where it talks about stents. Atherectomy, pages 245 and 246. Thrombectomy, page 251. IVC filter, there's not a lot of information about the IVC filter in this text. Pericardiocentesis, page 13 under pericardial effusion. So again, that would be another good page that I would like for you to read. It's not a long section. Page 13, it's just talking about pericardial effusion, and so when a patient has pericardial effusion, you do a pericardiocentesis to fix that. The IABP, intra-aortic balloon pump, there's a whole chapter dedicated to that, chapter 35, which starts on page 497. Again, I don't expect you to read the whole chapter, but if there are things that you're interested in or want to know more about, refer to that. Percutaneous ventricular assist device. Keep in mind that there are 2 types of ventricular assist devices. There's one that requires open heart surgery, and of course we don't put those in a cath lab. We put in the percutaneous type. So there's 2 types, and the percutaneous type is more of a short-term, temporary solution, whereas the one that is inserted during open heart surgery, that's more of a long-term device that the patient has. And then the PFO closure. And so I explained to you what a PFO is, and there's more about it on page 258. So again, it's laid out a little bit differently this week. Like I said, I don't expect you to read all of this in detail. I do expect you to read page 22 and possibly page 13 to get familiar with that. And also, please keep in mind that this isn't the end of this. I mean, we will still talk about all of these things in the weeks to come. This is just kind of a general overview just to kind of get you using this terminology, using this vocabulary, understanding what all of this is. And we will talk, but like I said, this isn't the end. We'll talk about all of these things again, because we still need to talk about, why we do these things, and and why, and sometimes there's reasons why you shouldn't do these procedures. Anyway, we'll talk about all that, but for now, watch all of these videos and refer to these pages if needed. I hope you enjoy the videos. I sure enjoyed making them. See you next time.